Okay, how to make your tracks longer. You're going to have your files look a little bit more like this, probably. Maybe not quite that far. So 1 is over here, and it probably will only go to 15, right? That's the typical screen size. So if I click, well, let's say your loops are in the way. I can't even get to my minimizer and maximizer if my loops are in the way. I have to make sure I click on that green box in the bottom and make it go away. Anything that's in a green box, you can click on it and it will go away. I'm going to minimize this so that I can get my other tracks out to measure 33. So what I do is I select my track, I click on it once, and I get the looper up on the top here, the top right-hand corner, and I just drag it out. Some kids have been doing this. They grab the one on the bottom. If you do that, can you see that this is all empty? The gray splotchy stuff is the audio file. But if you take the bottom one, it won't take your file with it. You have to grab that looper there in the upper right-hand corner. All right, knock 'em dead.